Let it resound, loud as the rolling sea. Do you know the name of that song?
The Negro National Anthem.
Lift every voice and sing.
Go on, chillun. It was written in 1899 by James Weldon Johnson. His brother, John Rosamond Johnson, composed the music in 1900. Why is it the Negro anthem, though? Is it ours? This year ours for sure. It was written in Jacksonville, Florida, in the Gullah Geechee Nation. Folks called our ancestors and elders that before they called them black people. Hono chillun know who we be.
We be Gullah Geechee anointed people.
That anointing blessed the world through the voices of the children. The Fus singing been 500 chillun.
Wow!
Das plenty any.
Yes, in 1919, the NAACP adopted the song as our anthem, and plenty of we still sing.
Let us sing and march on till victory is won.
Let us march on till victory is won.